Media. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to install a Forge Motorsport blower valve. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is pretty much it. It's got a little spring inside that will help me vent to atmosphere. Here's the silicone hosing with 1 or 2 clamps. And yo guys, I'm quite excited. This thing is going to help my turbo dump air properly. And also just help everything work a little better, and it's going to sound super cool. Quite excited. Okay, so welcome back. So I've disconnected 1 or 2 clips. Just going to loosen the airbox slightly from the filter, well, with the filter connector. Let me loosen this one as well. And then we're going to get this DV/blower valve installed. Okay, it's just pretty much a vent to atmosphere, so it's nothing too crazy. Oh, and I have to disconnect these as well. I take it there just to, there you go. There, one is off. Let's wrap that like that. And then this one. One goes off there. Okay. Let's just put that over there. That's disconnected, the little sensor's disconnected. Now it's just like a clip that you pull, and the whole box comes loose. There we go, all loose. Let's check this one again. There we go. Okay, so we're in. So I'm going to take off that. I'm going to take off this, and then I'm going to loosen the blocking plate. And then once I've loosened the blocking plate, I'm going to take this bad boy and I'm going to put it in over there. Okay, so let's take off this little piece. Okay, so I'm going to loosen this piece. It's a number 8 spanner. So I'm going to loosen this. I don't have the right socket for it, but I mean, good old number 8 works perfectly fine. So like, comment, subscribe guys. I do most of my stuff DIY myself, so if you guys want to stay tuned to the channel, then you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. Keep supporting. Just make sure you know where the bolts go. drive it off. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the plate that I need to take off, and that's turbo. These are all the connections. But yeah, let me take that plate off and I'll show you guys all about it. So I don't know if you guys know, but the Mercedes-Benz A45 originally was supposed to come, well, it's got the ability to have a bell valve from factory, but Mercedes-Benz decided not to add one. I don't know why, but they decided not to add one and just add a internal dump. So yeah, it's definitely going to help out the turbo, and things are going to flow a little bit smoother. So we have finally got the bolts loose on the blocking plate. Let's see what happens here. Okay, almost out. Yeah, just remember that you're going to use the same bolts as the old one for the new one. There you go. And it's off. Yo, okay. Definitely quite rough, I must say. But there we go. It's time to swap that with that. Okay, all I'm going to do now is just clean this. Just clean that little intake. Okay, so we're going to route this like that. So it goes right the way down. Okay, let's get the screws. Okay, I'm just going to get one screw here. So I've got the blow valve in, got all the bolts lined up correctly. Now I'm just going to tighten them, and then I'm going to route this to the blow valve and then put everything back together. Quite a simple job. It looks very scary, but it's not that scary once you just tackle it and go for it. Sometimes you just have to tackle something. Even if you're scared of it, you just have to do it. It's often the best advice someone has ever given me is just do it. Do it scared, do it worried, do it with problems, just do it. DV is all nice and tight, nicely screwed on. I'm now going to connect this, which is the vacuum line, to that over there, and then I'm going to just make sure that this is tight and that is tight as well, and then we are set to go. Oh, vacuum line is on. Okay, so that should be fine. Okay, so now it's routed all the way through. Now, let me put everything back. Put everything back. And then yeah, let's go for a test drive. I think it's going to be quite cool. Quite interested. Okay, so all the piping at the back here is sorted. From the vacuum all the way through to the DV. Guys, I'm quite excited for this. Okay, let me now put everything back and then let's go for a drive. So I'm going to now just pop a cable tie into this part so that it sits, so that nothing comes off. Because even though it's just a vacuum line, you don't necessarily want anything coming off. Seems to be okay. Okay, time to reassemble. Okay, one of the other clips that I remember is this little clip over here. Mustn't forget about that. This one. Yeah, that one right there. I'm just going to clip it in. Okay, so that one is clipped in. Now let's pop those babies back on and then tighten up that and screw that back on. Okay, there we go, like a glove. And then this one. Here we go, all back in. Okay, so all the clips are back on. Okay, so let's do the first start up. Whoa, let's put that off. Okay, first start up. Okay, first start up. Guys, it's very dark out, but we're going for our first little drive to see what it's like. Okay, let's get out of my state. Okay, let's just get out of my state and then let's hopefully hear this thing. I'm quite excited about it. I think it's gonna sound absolutely epic. Okay. That actually doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound bad at all. That doesn't sound bad at all. not bad at all. It's not bad at all. It's not as aggressive as I thought it would be, but it's not bad at all. I've just stopped, popped into neutral.